Headstart Secondary offers a vibrant and innovative learning journey, one underpinned by both academic rigour and wider developmental opportunities. Our experienced teachers offer passion and expertise in their fields and work in partnership with our diverse student body to produce outstanding learning outcomes for all ability levels. This academic excellence is complemented by a commitment to our students' social and emotional learning.
Headstart is a great place to learn, to connect and to grow.
Headstart is a lovely community.
Accepting.
A place I feel cared for.
A really innovative school.
Our curriculum for years 7 to 9 draws on key skills from the English National Curriculum and serves as a secure foundation for Cambridge International qualifications at IGCSE, which our students sit at the end of Year 11. Our sixth form programme offers students well-rounded options of A-level and BTEC qualifications depending on their strengths and interests. We aim to match our learners' academic, personal and cultural needs with the qualifications which best suit them, an aim with which our success is proved by our students consistently achieving some of the finest academic results in Thailand. This breadth of opportunity is shown in the myriad activities which exist in Headstart outside the classroom. Team sports, swimming, dance, drama, practical life skills and service and community opportunities enhance students' experiences and contribute to a holistic education designed to support them in becoming responsible members of a global community.
Headstart is such a friendly and positive place to be.
A place I learn to speak English.
Where I can express my creativity.
There are so many opportunities for our students both in the classroom and through our extracurricular programme.
Headstart is a great place to prepare our young leaders of tomorrow for the next steps after their secondary education. With the guidance of subject specialists and our university prep team, our students matriculate at leading universities all around the world. Discover how your child can embark on their secondary Headstart journey today. Headstart, inspiring a love of learning.